That happened so quick too. Look at him. Yeah, glad. Busted right through his neck. You see that? It's a wonderful bird, man. That thing is huge.
That's broke. Got some patience.
Thanks, buddy.
Good job.
Appreciate it.
Man, that is awesome. Unbelievable.
First morning. Left Pennsylvania yesterday morning. Got here late last night. Tried to come out and roost a couple birds. Got here this morning with Tracy and AJ. Really quiet this morning.
It was.
Really quiet. And just heard a couple gobbles. Right off the bat, we just had a couple of hens come out down here below us in the field, and then one hen ran out here. She might have been maybe like 30 yards from us. It was pitch quiet the rest of the morning. And then AJ let out a couple of yelps, and next thing we knew, we had this big tom came out, 3 jakes with it, came out, played around in front of the decoys. I didn't give him much time.
No, sorry.
But
19-yard shot.
19-yard shot and dropped it.
quicker than snot.
He didn't wiggle. Man, that's a pretty bird, dude.
Nice fan.
Yeah. He's got
Nice beard.
probably an 8.5-inch beard. Looks like he's got 3/4-inch spurs. Maybe even 7/8 on that. The old Bowtech.
The old Bowtech Destroyer 340. Got the job done this morning.
I'll tell you what, AJ and I have hunted in this area the last couple of days. And before I even arrived, AJ, he has scouted this area and roosted birds day after day, and he pretty much knew the exact trees. But the problem with that being is there's so many birds. I mean, I don't know, they didn't gobble that much this morning, but from what I could think, I'd say there's 5 different birds from, up and down through here.
Oh, yeah.
We'd set up down there, we'd set up here throughout the week, and it just seemed like the birds would go away from us and then they'd circle back to this green field. So this morning, our game plan was to just come here, sit, wait it out. And we did very little calling. But the thing about that is you do the right calling, and that's all it takes. So that's exactly what AJ did. I mean, just soft yelps, soft purrs. And it worked out. Couldn't work out any better.
Couldn't work out any better.
It was a no surprise. When you're doing footage and stuff, yeah, you want gobbles and everything else, but, we're here to kill. And Matt did exactly that.
We did. We killed this morning. Made that 450-mile trip all worth the while.
Absolutely.
I tell you what, this is only day 1. We still have a few days left, so.
So what we're going to do is, Matt's actually going to come back for deer season in January and hunt with us. I can't wait for that. Hopefully, if there ain't any indication about how your turkey season goes compared to your deer season, maybe you get out there. I'm sure AJ will have you a big old deer spotted.
Yeah. Probably have one chained up.
Yeah, that'd be awesome too.
I mean, this is a heck of a trophy bird. I mean, this is a beautiful bird. And just from like your pictures and some of the mounts you guys have at the lodge, I can't even wait to see some of those bucks out
It's gonna
in
be
January. Awesome. That's going to be.
But I tell you what, you made a perfect shot on him. I mean, just absolutely textbook. That's awesome. The old Jay. AJ and I had another guy out here the other day, and this old Jake took a woman.
Yeah, he did. Flying right to the ground.
He's resilient, and he just bounces back on up. All right, buddy. Well,
Wow.
Congratulations again.
Thank you very much.
AJ, good job.
Thanks, buddy.
Yep, good job. First bird with the bow.
Tagged and head on and eat some breakfast.
Ate some breakfast.
Waffle House.
Waffle House.